Model, 54-plate Mercedes-Benz Vito 122 3.2L petrol ULEZ compliant minibus body, black, minibus mileage, 71,094 engine, 3,195 cc transmission, automatic mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. 3.2L petrol automatic 9-seater minibus. Very rare bit of kit will need auxiliary belt replacing features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys, aircon HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.